Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to PVR Info. This is Ram. In previous sessions, we discussed about parts of speech, right? Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. And what is the importance of that? And preposition, right? Very important topic on, in, at, by, to, place preposition, direction preposition, time preposition, everything I explained you, right? On tabulary form also, location purpose, travel purpose, and time purpose. Different ways I explained you, right? Prepositions ఎలా యూజ్ చేయాలి, రైట్? చాలా ఎంత ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఉంది ప్రిపోజిషన్స్. మనం మాట్లాడే ప్రతి వాక్యంలోను, ప్రతి సెంటెన్స్లోను, ఎవ్రీ సెంటెన్స్ వాట్ ఎవర్ వి స్పీక్, రైట్? ఇన్ దట్ what is the importance of prepositions I explained you well, right? About parts of speech. Now sentences I said, right? What is the meaning of sentence? In previous session I explained you about sentence, means last before some 5-6 sessions before I explained you about sentence when we started the sessions. Sentence means group of words which gives full meaning, right? Group of words which gives full meaning is called, which doesn't give full meaning is called phrase, right? Now here sentences are 4 types. First one, assertive sentence. Assertive. Second one, interrogative sentence. Third one, imperative sentence. Fourth one, exclamatory. Sentence, right? Imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. First one, assertive sentence means ending with full stop, dot. I am going to market. I am going to market. ఎండింగ్ విత్ ఫుల్ స్టాప్ మీన్స్ మీనింగ్ఫుల్. నేను మార్కెట్కి వెళ్తున్నాను, ఒక మీనింగ్ ఉంది కదా, అది మీనింగ్ఫుల్ సెంటెన్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ అసర్టివ్ సెంటెన్సెస్. సెకండ్ వన్, ఇంట్రోగేటివ్ సెంటెన్సెస్. ఇంట్రోగేటివ్, పోలీస్ ఇంట్రోగేషన్, హ్యావ్ యు ఎవర్ లిసన్? ఇట్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ క్వశ్చనింగ్. క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతారు కదా, దాన్ని ఇంట్రోగేషన్ అంటారు. ఇంట్రోగేటివ్ ఆల్వేస్ ఎండ్స్ విత్ క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్. హియర్ WH words also comes. WH words. Okay, now here, am I going there or am I going to market? Question, do you know me? నేను మీకు తెలుసా? నేను మార్కెట్కి వెళ్తున్నానా? So these are the sentences, interrogative sentences. Imperative sentences, generally whatever we speak depends on subject, verb, object, right? But here there is no subject, there is no object. Only, yes, there is no subject, no object, only verb is there. That is, let's go, if you take. Or, shut up. Keep it up. Close the door. These are instructions. Instructions. These instructions are called imperative sentences. General గా అయితే assertive sentence అంటే ending with dot, meaningful sentence is called assertive. Okay, fine. Interrogative means ending with question mark, questioning is interrogative, fine. Imperative means instructions, means generally whatever we speak depends on subject, verb, object. మనం ఏం మాట్లాడినా ప్రతి దాంట్లో subject, verb, object ఉండాలి. Subject, I am going, verb, market, object. Subject, verb, object is very important. Whatever we speak, మనం ఏం మాట్లాడినా అది మెయిన్ పక్కాగా ఉండాలి. I am eating food. I am subject, eating, verb, food, object. But here in this, let's go. Let's go means పదండి వెళ్దాం, అది చలో జాయింగ్, right? These are, let's go means there is no subject, no object. Subject లేదు, object లేదు, but go is verb, but meaningful. These are the sentences is called imperative sentence. Instructions, close the door, get out. These are meaningful. Get out అంటే జస్ట్ ఇప్పుడు మాట్లాడుతున్నావు, get out అంటే ఇక్కడ నుండి వెళ్ళిపో. Shut up means keep it up, right? These are the sentences. We have to use imperative sentences. Exclamatory, same exclamatory. In parts of speech I explained you about interjection. That is wow. Is it? These are exclamatory sentences. Right? These are 4 sentences, right? Now let me ask you one question here. Now, in competitive test, they ask this type of questions for getting confused, for making us some divert or confused. Let me explain you what a building it is. What a beautiful building it is. I am not using any question mark, I am not using any dot, I am not using any exclamatory, nothing. Okay, నేను ఇక్కడ exclamatory గానీ dot గానీ question mark గానీ ఏది యూజ్ చేయట్లేదు. I am not using anything. But which sentence is this? Which sentence? Generally, sir, what ఉంది కదా sir? So interrogative. Some people say. Some people, what a beautiful building it is. That means, sir, beautiful building we are using, right? So exclamatory, sir. This is question mark. This is exclamatory, sir. Exclamatory. Some different. Sir, is general question, sir. So general point, sir. So assertive, ending with full stop, sir. Assertive, sir. I got lot of answers from different people like this way. What a beautiful building it is. Right? But what is the real answer? What is the correct answer? The perfect answer means here in competitive test for making you confused, right? They give this type of sentences. But after WH word, if any, for example, this is the right answer is exclamatory mark. Exclamatory sentence is correct. Now, let me ask you a few questions, right? If you are going for competitive, they ask generally this type of questions for making us confused and divert. Now, let me explain you very well here. What a beautiful building it is. This is which type of sentence? I will ask you a few questions and one question, that is what a beautiful building it is. Which type of sentence this is? In competitive test, this is very important question. Because in competitive, every competitive English is scoring subject. We can save our time also, we can get more scoring also in competitive test, right? Everywhere, whatever you write a competitive, this is mandatory, English is mandatory, right? So there we can save the time and we can get highest marks. Compare with aptitude and reasoning, some different subjects. These are the very easy things if you focus well. So, what a beautiful building it is. This is which type of sentence? Some people in my sessions, I asked some students. They said, "Sir, what is there, sir?" So, question mark. Interrogative, sir. Interrogative, sir. Pakka. 100% interrogative, sir. And, sir, beautiful is there, sir. So wow, sir, exclamatory, sir. And I am not putting here question mark, dot or exclamatory. ఇది మీరు కాంపిటేటివ్ కి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. కాంపిటేటివ్ టెస్ట్ లో ఇంగ్లీష్ అనేది స్కోరింగ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ కదా, చాలా యాప్టిట్యూడ్ రీజనింగ్ ఎన్ని చేసినా కూడా ఇంగ్లీష్ అన్నది మనం టైం సేవ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అండ్ స్కోరింగ్ కూడా ఈజీగా తెచ్చుకోవచ్చు. సో ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్. ఇప్పుడు ఇచ్చి ఇక్కడ రాసిన సెంటెన్స్ ఏ సెంటెన్స్, విచ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ సెంటెన్స్ దిస్ ఈస్? ఒక కొంతమంది స్టూడెంట్స్, సార్ వాట్ అని రాశారు కదా, ఇంట్రోగేటివ్ సార్, క్వశ్చనింగ్. బ్యూటిఫుల్ అని రాశారు కదా సార్, సో ఎక్స్క్లమేటరీ సార్. సమ్ పీపుల్, సార్ ఇక్కడ మీరు ఏ ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ పెట్టలేదు సార్, డాట్ కానీ కామా కానీ ఫుల్ స్టాప్ కానీ ఏం పెట్టలేదు సార్, సో అసర్టివ్ సార్. సమ్ పీపుల్ సెడ్ assertive, sir, because it indicates normally dot, sir, full stop unnattu, sir, so andukane meaningful, sir. Different people have different mindsets, right? So they said this type of answers. So let me clarify this, right? Why this is very important thing and what is the main point here in after WH word. Now let me explain you the real answer. Now this is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Why? Some people they said the reasons. Wow, what a beautiful building it is. Means we are expressing our ideas, sir. We are expressing, sir, our expressions. So what a beautiful building, sir. That is. I said, what a beautiful building it is. We can ask question, right? I don't know about the building. What a beautiful building it is. I can ask question. Some people, what a beautiful building it is. We can explain in 2-3 ways. But what is the correct answer according to that rules and regulations? Means some logic. Here, after WH word, if helping verbs are there, helping verbs, is, am, are, do, does, these are there, have, these are there, then only interrogative. Then only interrogative. Interrogative sentence. WH వర్డ్స్ ఉండొచ్చు కానీ WH వర్డ్స్ తర్వాత హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్స్ ఉంటేనే అది ఇంట్రోగేటివ్ వర్డ్స్ సెంటెన్స్ అంటే క్వశ్చనింగ్. WH వర్డ్ ఉన్న పక్కన మనం ఎప్పుడైనా హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ యూజ్ చేస్తేనే ఇచ్చే కాంపిటేటివ్ క్వశ్చన్ లోనే WH వర్డ్స్ పక్కన ఎప్పుడైనా ఈజ్, యామ్, ఆర్ ఇలాంటివి యూజ్ చేస్తేనే మనకి క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ ఇంట్రోగేటివ్ సెంటెన్స్, రైట్? అదర్వైజ్ ఆల్వేస్ ఎక్స్క్లమేటరీ. ఎప్పుడైనా హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ యూజ్ చేయకుండా WH వర్డ్ ఒక్కటే ఉందంటే మాత్రం ఆల్వేస్ ఎక్స్క్లమేటరీ. ఇఫ్ దే యూజ్ ఆఫ్టర్ WH వర్డ్ హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, దెన్ ఓన్లీ ఇంట్రోగేటివ్ సెంటెన్సెస్. Otherwise always exclamatory. Now this is after WH word there is no helping verb, so this is exclamatory sentence. Understand my point? If you are going for competitive, this type of sentence are very important. Bits are very important, and prepositions also very important, right? Competitive test. Okay, thank you so much. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel PVR Info. Please like, share and comment.